If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, macOS Sequoia comes with iPhone mirroring. iPhone mirroring on macOS Sequoia, which is likely a future macOS version not yet available as of my last update, refers to the feature that allows users to display and interact with their iPhone screen on a Mac. This functionality is typically achieved through the use of AirPlay, a wireless streaming technology developed by Apple, or by using a wired connection and software support built into macOS. The key features and uses of iPhone mirroring are: 1. Screen mirroring. This enables you to see your iPhone screen on your Mac. It's useful for presentations, tutorials, or simply viewing content on a larger screen. 2. App interactions. You can use Mac's mouse and keyboard to interact with apps running on your iPhone. This can be useful for messaging apps, games, or any iPhone-specific application. 3. File sharing. Easily transfer files between your iPhone and Mac using drag-and-drop functionality. 4. Enhanced productivity. Use your Mac's larger display and more powerful hardware to manage tasks that originate from your iPhone. Requirements for iPhone mirroring. Compatible devices. Ensure both your Mac and iPhone support the latest versions of macOS and iOS that include this mirroring feature. Software updates. Both devices should be running the latest software updates to ensure compatibility and access to new features. Network. A stable Wi-Fi connection for wireless mirroring via AirPlay. Here are some potential issues in troubleshooting. Connection problems. Ensure both devices are on the same network and have Bluetooth enabled for seamless discovery. Performance. Mirroring performance may vary based on network strength and device capabilities. Software updates. Keeping both your Mac and iPhone updated helps avoid compatibility issues. You may use this feature for presentations. Display your iPhone apps, photos, or documents on a larger screen. Education. Teachers can use it to display educational apps or content in a classroom setting. Development. App developers can demonstrate their iOS apps on a Mac for easier debugging and presentations. By leveraging iPhone mirroring on macOS, users can enjoy a more integrated and flexible ecosystem, enhancing productivity and usability across their Apple devices. Tinting the home screen on iOS 18 can be done very quickly as following. First, press on the screen till you see the Edit button on the top left corner. Next, tap on Edit and choose Customize. Now, at the bottom, you choose to have the screen tinted, light, dark, or automatic. Tap the choose of your liking. You can undo your choice just by repeating the process and choose any other option. By following these steps, you can effectively tint your home screen on iOS 18 to match your desired aesthetic or accessibility needs. It's that simple. I will show you how to schedule an iMessage on iOS 18. iOS 18 adds the option to schedule an iMessage to be sent to someone at a later time or date. To do this, first, open up a conversation in the Messages app. Next, tap on the plus button on the left side of the text box. Now, tap on More and choose Send Later. Don't forget to type in your message. To change the send time, tap on the blue bubble that defaults to tomorrow 9 a.m. From there, you will have a slider that lets you input a date and a time. With your time selected and your message typed in, tap on the blue arrow to schedule it. It's that simple. I will show you how to use distraction control in iOS 18. In iOS 18, the distraction control feature helps you reduce on-screen clutter while browsing in Safari by letting you hide distracting elements like ads, banners, cookie pop-ups, and even autoplay videos. Here's how to use it. First, open Safari and navigate to the web page where you want to minimize distractions. Next, tap the page menu icon in the address bar. It's next to the website URL. Now, select Hide Distracting Items from the options. Safari will ask you to confirm which elements you want to hide. You can select specific items such as ads, banners, or pop-ups. Next, after selecting, tap Hide and the unwanted items will be removed. A blue indicator will appear in the address bar to show the feature is active. If you want to bring back the hidden elements, tap the blue indicator or the page menu again, and select Show Hidden Items. Keep in mind that this is a temporary action, so hidden ads and banners will reappear if the page is refreshed. This feature works on all websites, but it needs to be enabled for each page individually. iOS 18 brings significant updates to Calculator app. The Calculator app in iOS 18 has received significant updates that enhance its functionality and user experience. Some of the most notable new features include 1. Built-in conversion tool. This feature allows you to convert various units such as currency, temperature, length, and more directly within the app, removing the need for separate conversion apps. 2. Calculation history. You can now view your past calculations, making it easy to refer back to previous results and continue calculations from where you left off. 3. Math notes. This innovative feature lets you type or handwrite equations directly into the app, or the Notes app with integration, and the calculator will solve them instantly. This feature supports Apple Pencil, making it particularly useful for iPad users. 4. Scientific calculator in portrait mode. In previous versions, the scientific calculator was only available in landscape mode. Now, you can access it in portrait mode as well, making it more convenient for complex calculations. These updates make the iOS 18 Calculator app more versatile and powerful, integrating seamlessly with other productivity tools like Notes, and making it an even more essential tool for both everyday and complex calculations. I will show you how to set photos to show most recently added photos in iOS 18. The new Photos app redesign is befuddling, to say the least. If you like having the most recently added photos appearing at the bottom of your photos, as had been the default for ages prior to the latest confusing reimagination of Photos app, then you'll appreciate this. To make this change, go to the Photos app. Scroll up a bit in your photos, which then reveals a mystery button that looks like two arrows going opposite directions. Tap on that and choose Sort by Recently Added. This makes the Photos app behave more like the very popular camera roll view, where the most recent additions to your photos will appear at the bottom of the, rather than interspersed throughout your photos album by the time they were taken, which is completely confusing and pointless if the photo is from somewhere else. Unfortunately for all of you who like the old Photos app design, and used a lot of albums, there's not much you can do. While you can customize the Photos app and rearrange stuff a bit, it's still ultimately a confusing redesign that some users feel is pointlessly over-designed and over-engineered. It's that simple. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.